Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you what to do if your touchpad stopped working and your cursor has disappeared from your screen. So first of all, try using your touchpad and see if it doesn't start to work for you, and in case it doesn't, then you should take a look for an external mouse, because it's gonna be much easier for you to use an external mouse without a touchpad in order to get the cursor back on the screen. But generally the first step will be the PC restart, which you can do by pressing the power button once, pressing it for 2 seconds, then press tab, selecting shutdown, and press enter to turn your laptop off. Then wait until your device is switched off. You can check the light indicator on the power button of your laptop in order to see if it's turned off. Then press the power button once again and wait until your device boots back into the operational system. Now sign into your account by entering your PIN code, and in case this didn't help you, then you can use either your external mouse, or if you don't have an external mouse to connect to your device, press the search button, which is in the caps lock button place. Then press tab several times until you hit settings, and then press enter to open settings. Then press tab until you hit the accessibility settings. So keep pressing tab. Once you hit the accessibility, press enter, and then start pressing tab until you hit the cursor and touchpad settings. Then press enter, then press tab until you hit this this one. Now press enter, and then use arrow keys to navigate to never, and this way your touchpad should start working again. And at this point that will be all. If this video didn't help you, then you should contact Google customer support service or ASUS customer support service and tell them about your issue, and see if they can either guide you with some more troubleshooting steps or just take care of your device. Alternatively, you can just reach out to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your laptop. Now that will be all for this video, so thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.